Hello everyone, welcome to TISSNET Prep. My name is Mohit, and the reason why I'm coming today making this video is we're getting lots and lots of queries from people who are really serious about TISS. And if you're watching this video, you also have some level of seriousness for sure. Otherwise you'll not waste time on that video. I mean, I'm sure you want to get into TISS. TISS is one of your dream colleges as of now. So the kind of queries we are getting right now, see, it's like we are sitting at 7 to 8 months from TISSNET exam. Okay, आज की date में, the queries, the kind of queries we are getting for people from people about different courses, HR being the most prominent, most sought after course. And so what they're concerned about is 3-4 main queries hai. I think you will fall into one of those categories. So there are people who are, their education is not from some exceptional college. एक नॉर्मल से कॉलेज से देव डन ग्रेजुएशन बीए करा है, एमए करा है. आई मीन ये भी क्वेरी रहता है कि आई डन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन वंस, शुड आई गो फॉर टेस्ट नाउ, आई मीन क्या चांसेस है मेरे उसमें होने के. आई मीन दैट्स आल्सो वन कैटेगरी. देन वी हैव अनदर कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल हु हैव गैप बिकॉज ऑफ यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन or let's say SSC, CGL or other competitive exams, okay, government jobs or other kind of exams, CAT, ZAT, those kind of exams as well. So a lot of people inquire about courses ki unke kitne chance hai with this kind of profile, unke gap years hai. Okay, let me tell you, and just one more category, they are freshers. This is another query. Okay, मैं fresher हूँ, मेरा कोई work ex नहीं है. Would I, do I get a good chance of getting into TISS HR program specifically? Okay, and all other programs for that matter. TISS एक ऐसा college है जिसका हर एक program उस particular field में one of the best है in India. So we can talk about every course for that matter. So, and fourth, they have very entry level or non-HR experience. Okay, so I'm sure you must be falling in one of those categories, right? इससे अलग तो category कुछ होता ही नहीं है. कुछ exceptional है तो we can speak later, we can discuss things later. But most of you would be in one of these categories. And if other category could be कि तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ अच्छा है, you are working in HR, you have a very good education from a good college, and you're working in a top-notch company in HR division, then you'll have a very good chance of obviously getting into HR. You don't have to think anything about that. Okay, so वो लोग query भी नहीं करते हैं ज़्यादा because they know कि they have a very relevant profile. So without digressing further, if you are into any of these categories, okay, and you also have that query, you also have that doubt in your mind कि किसके HR में या किसी और course में तुम्हारा selection होने का कितना chance है. So this video is for you. Will tell you exactly in this video कि क्या तुम्हें किस चीज़ पे focus करना है, किस पे नहीं करना है, and what are the mistakes that you need to avoid, okay, while selecting or while preparing for TISS. So last year itself, जो अभी current batch गया है, we had total 200 plus selections in all the courses put together. HRM specific, we had 24 selections only for HR. Okay, and this 200 plus is for all courses, and we have done some research on our own. Data हमने कुछ collect किया था. In every course we had students जो हमसे training लिया है, interview का preparation किया है, and all those things put together. In every course, including education, LLM, every course, you name it in TISS, and we had people in every course. Okay, so these are the selections that we had last year in TISS, and trust me, we had all categories of people. Okay, उनके सबके वही queries थे जो तुम्हारे अभी हैं, and there is only one thing which is which works with for everyone right now. Just focus on TISSNET. Okay, if you get a 70 plus in TISSNET, your way to get into TISS becomes very easy. Okay, because TISSNET first of all is a 50% weightage. 50% weightage in the entire selection process वो TISSNET exam का है. Okay, so that is a fact. वो हर साल ऐसा ही रहता है, and I don't have any reason to believe कि ऐसा कुछ change होगा इस बार, but उसका weightage एक substantial weightage तो होता है. 50% is like the biggest weightage of anything. Okay, now there are people जैसे HR का like 63 या 64 था last year. I mean this current batch पे cut off. So 65 के आसपास रहता है generally. So there were people who had like बिल्कुल borderline पे जो बैठे थे, you know, कट ऑफ के HR के. ऐसा नहीं कि उनका किसी का भी सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ, बट you know, for them to get selected, your interview has to be really, really exceptional. Okay, but people who had 70%, 70 score in testnet, they can, you know, afford some luxury, some margin of error in interview. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि prepare मत करना interview के लिए, but the thing is, right now, focus on testnet. You have like 7-8 months to prepare for testnet. Last year Feb के last में हुआ था exam. This year also it could be Feb में भी हो सकता है, January में भी हो सकता है. I mean nobody knows that as of now. But we already have 7 months at least to prepare for testnet. That is good enough to get a 70% score. Okay, time भी अपने पास पूरा, and you can, I mean, if you are working or non-working, you can go by a slow pace, and that's the best way to prepare for testnet, obviously. So focus on that, because you know some people start asking us कि क्या हम कोई course करें अभी in HR or you know any relevant course related to the program that they want to get into. ऐसा कुछ course करें या ऐसा कुछ internship करें, those kind of things. अभी उसका time नहीं है. Because course करना है तो you'll get ample time after December to do that. Okay, you can do that. Course कोई भी ऐसा तो है नहीं 6 महीने चलेगा. Every course is like 1-2 months. So उतना time तो definitely मिलेगा, no problem about that. Okay, internship किसको करना है तो you don't have to ask me. Internship करना है for your own learning, do it. You know, by all means. वो तो definitely कभी ना कभी किसी को help करेगा अगर किसी को करना है internship. Okay, that is not a question that you need to ask me. Internship करना है, job करना है, do it definitely. Okay, they'll give you some learning, but test के लिए specific कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अभी. Okay, so focus on testnet, because we have seen people working in really really good companies had really really good experience, but testnet में score कम था. Okay, and interview में उतना अच्छा नहीं कर पाए जितना ज़रूरत था उनको, depending upon the score. And one more reason is your interview is a very subjective thing. Okay, कुछ भी ऐसा specific नहीं होता कि वो तुमसे इसी specific चीज़ के बारे में पूछेंगे. They can ask anything and everything that exists here. Okay, so उस दिन तुम्हारा कैसा tempo रहता है, how do you behave in that interview? Sometimes people get nervous. I mean, you can prepare for those things, obviously, no problem about that. But it's always a subjective thing. Maybe they'll ask something that is your weakness on that particular day. Okay, you are not confident on that particular day. So to kind of afford that margin of error, this is your chance. Testnet में 70% लेके आओ, 70 plus, and there is no reason, you know, you'll not get a 70% plus if you don't, you know, prepare well. And this is something, again, I'm emphasizing that अभी distract नहीं होना. All these things are distractions, big distractions. कि मेरा क्या होगा? Every kind of person gets selected. I mean, more than 40% are freshers in the current batch. Over 40%. So if you're a fresher, सोचना ही नहीं है. Okay, you'll have an equal chance of getting selected as is any other person. And if you have a non-HR work ex, almost everybody had a non-HR experience who got selected this time. एक या दो को छोड़ के everybody had a non-HR, totally non-HR. IT वाले भी थे, sales वाले भी थे, finance वाले भी थे, and teaching experience वाले भी थे who got into HR. Okay, so every profile has an equal chance of getting into HR. They don't discriminate on that, you know, front. So तुम्हें कुछ extra special अभी से नहीं करना है. इंटरव्यू का जब प्रिपरेशन होगा, आई मीन पीपल स्टार्ट आस्किंग अस कि इंटरव्यू का प्रिपेयर कैसे करें. अभी दिस इज नॉट द राइट टाइम टू स्पीक अबाउट दैट. दिस इज अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन, ट्रस्ट मी. इंटरव्यू में क्योंकि करंट अफेयर्स उस टाइम के पूछते हैं, सो अप्रैल में स्टार्ट हुआ था लास्ट टाइम, एंड फ्रॉम द डेट यू नो द टेस्ट हैपेंड, टेस्टनेट हैपेंड, एंड इंटरव्यू स्टार्टेड. ही हैड लाइक 40-45 डेज का टाइम. That is good enough to prepare for any interview in this world, at least for test. Okay, you can prepare really really well, and बाकी लोगों ने किया ही था, you know, last year. So that shouldn't be your concern. You should not distract your mind because of those issues. Start preparing for testnet. And if you see our course, these are the things that you get. You'll get regular live classes. Week में 4-5 live classes होती हैं. So all the things are discussed there. And topic wise practice questions. So you know, we have been mentoring people for tests for more than 8 years, so we know every topic that can be asked. Last year difficulty level थोड़ा ज़्यादा था पहले, मतलब previous year से, but people were well prepared to crack testnet, you know, by good marks. So you'll get full length mock tests. That is really, really important. You need at least 10 mock tests to be prepared fully for the exam. Okay, and you get 13 here, and we'll keep adding more. इतने mock tests में कर लिया, you'll get a very good idea कि ये हमारा score रहेगा. Okay, and most of the people they get very similar scores what they get consistently in these mocks. Okay, sectional